Hello lovely people, welcome to Nickel 9 Distillery. My name is Greg Morrison from Nickel 9 Distillery, and I'm sure you've seen some of our cocktails in the past, but today we are going off of a book called Booze and Vinyl. I'm sure some of you have probably seen this. Today I was searching through it, and the cocktail I'm going to focus on is a Bob Dylan cocktail. A, because I like Bob Dylan. B, because I noticed that there is a documentary coming out. The cocktail that sort of caught my eye was a New York Sour, so let's get to it. What we're going to do is we're going to take our shaker tin, 2 ounces of our 90 Cawthra Whisky. We're going to go 2 ounces of this guy into the shaker tin. Then I'm going to take just a standard simple syrup. I'm going to go 1/2 ounce into the shaker tin. I'm also going to go 1 ounce of lemon juice. The reason why we're going a little bit more of a citrus as opposed to sugar is because it is a sour. Next thing I'm going to add is an egg white. Whenever you're getting into cocktails, you're a little intimidated. It's the same thing as baking. You just give it a smash on a table and then break it over the shaker tin. So what we want to use is just the egg white. We're going to take this egg yolk and just put it off to the side. You know what? Use it for something else. Use it for baking. Use it for cooking. We don't want to waste anything. So we have all of our ingredients in our shaker tin. What we're going to do is put the top on, give it a bit of a dry shake. This is what we do for a sour. The reason why you're dry shaking is because you're creating froth. And I just got some on me right now. Ice is what chills the cocktail down. Give it another bit of a shake. We're going to take our rocks glass with a king cube. We're going to strain this over. And the part that makes it a New York Sour is we're going to take some red wine. In this case, we're using Peller Estates red wine. We're just going to layer over about 1/2 ounce. So the way that you go and lay over is take it doesn't have to be a bar spoon. It can be any type of regular spoon. Just put the face up. And you're going to slowly pour over it, and you're going to see how it goes and floats on the top. And then finally, what we're going to do is take a maraschino cherry, put on top. So actually, this might be a little bit more red wine than what's supposed to be in there, but hey, we got the separation. It looks good. New York Sour, Bob Dylan, cheers. Tangled Up in Blue.